Monday morning, January 30th, 2023, and it's time for a reality check. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lizabeth, and I am living in the light by documenting my weight loss journey, and I'm using Optavia's 5-in-1 program. What that means is that I eat 5 fuelings that come to me in my monthly Optavia box, and then I eat 1 lean and green meal that consists of 5 to 7 ounces of lean protein and 3 servings of lower carbohydrate vegetables, along with sometimes healthy fats, depending on the lean that I choose, and up to 3 condiments. If you want more information about the Optavia program, my contact information is in the description box down below. So feel free to reach out to me. I'm happy to share some information with you. Before we get to how I did this week, let me invite you to scroll down the page and hit that thumbs up button. Let me know that you like this kind of video content, and also please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. I love to have more people on my tribe just cheering me along this weight loss journey. It really, truly does encourage me and help me to continue and to stay on the path, just knowing that I have people who are supporting me. The comments that people leave, those thumbs ups, those all really help me to stay the course and to stay steadfast and steady on. If you watched my reality check last week, then you know that I had a big loss last week, and I kind of knew that what happened this week was going to happen because it was just too good to be true. So I'm not going to make you wait. Here's how I did this last week. This is a first for me on this journey. And so I gained 2.8 pounds, but I am still lower than I was 2 weeks ago when I weighed. So I don't really know what happened last week and why the scale showed such a big loss, but I'm looking at it as like I lost 1.5 pounds last week, really, and 1.5 pounds this week, really. It just kind of evens out. So I'm really not worried about it. As long as I am not going in the opposite direction. And the reason why I'm really not discouraged is because I actually lost 1/2 inch in my hips. So that's good. At least I know that I didn't like gain a bunch of weight for some weird reason. I have said this many times. I follow the Optavia program to a T. I don't add anything to my fuelings other than water. I weigh and measure my lean and greens every single time. I drink more than 64 ounces of water. I do everything that I'm told to do. I don't do anything that I'm told not to do. I follow the program, and truly it has been very successful. And I have no reason to believe that I will not be right back on that 2.5 pound loss trajectory next week. I am just going to keep on keeping on. I do know that plateaus happen, that eventually my weight loss is going to slow down. Maybe that's what's happening right now. And I'm totally fine with that because I know that eventually I will get to my weight loss goal. I have lost 85 pounds and have 15 more to get to my next goal, which is not until the 1st of April. So I have 2 months to lose 15 pounds. That's definitely going to happen. I would be surprised if I didn't get there early, unless my weight loss just really slows down. So we'll see. It is what it is. I am not at all upset about this or frustrated. I kind of knew that it was going to happen. As most of you know, I did sign up to be an Optavia coach. I have chosen not to take on clients up to this point, and that is because I just don't feel like I have the time to commit to people that I feel a client should have access to their coach, should be able to call or chat or text their coach whenever they need to. I personally have the most amazing coach, and she is always available. If I text her, she responds to me. I talk to her every single week. She is always so encouraging to me. And your coach, if you are an Optavia client, your coach should be providing you that kind of service. Your coach should be reaching out to you weekly. Your coach should be providing you resources. Your coach should be walking alongside you as an accountability partner and as an encourager on your journey. That is one thing that I really love about the Optavia program. And it has been my experience that my coach has been my accountability partner. I am finding as the longer time that I spend on Optavia that there are a lot of clients who are on the program who don't have coaches who are good accountability partners. They don't have coaches who know the program, who support the program as it is. They encourage them to do things that are not on program, which it blows my mind. And it's really discouraging. And people wonder, why am I not losing weight? Well, your coach is not coaching you. Your coach is not helping you. So I would really encourage you, and the purpose of this part of my video today is to say, this is your health. You are paying money, good money, to be on this program. Your coach is making money off of you. So just keep that in mind. This is a business. And so your coach is making money when you sign up. Every time you buy a box of Fuelings, your coach makes money on you. You would not go to a doctor who wasn't taking care of your health. You would not go to a hairstylist who did crazy things with your hair that you didn't want them to do, who burned your hair, who fried it, who made it look terrible. You would not go to a restaurant if the servers in the restaurant ignored you and didn't bring you your food, didn't give you water, didn't give you clean utensils if you needed them. You would leave. You would not go back to that restaurant. Why stick with a coach who is not coaching you? Why allow somebody else to make money off of your health journey, if they are not servicing you, providing you the coaching, the accountability, the support that you need? You can get a different coach. You can let Optavia know that you want somebody else. You can go out and find somebody else who is willing to coach you and switch coaches. Now, Optavia doesn't like people to do that, but if your coach is not meeting your needs, then find somebody who will. All right, that's my rant for today. For those of you who are not on Optavia, sorry, you probably turned off the video long before this, and that's fine. I just want to encourage you, take your own health by the horns. Be in charge of your health. Find people who are going to support you. Surround yourself with people who are going to encourage you. That is the whole reason why I am living in the light. I live in the light because I need that support. I need that encouragement. Find that for yourself and do better, get healthier, and lose that weight. And until I see you next time, please, you live in the light.